Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something exciting to unbox. It's the brand new Apple Mac Mini with M4 chip. Now this is the base version and Apple has introduced some exciting upgrades this year. I can't wait to unbox it. Right on the top you can see the Apple logo. On one side you have the Mac written and on the other it's the Mini that's written. Apple unboxing is as slick as always. So let me pull up the tab. Then wow, this is a very small design for an Apple Mac. You can just put it in your purse, you can put it in your carry-on laptop bag, and you can just take it anywhere. Now let's see what else they have in the box. This is a braided cable and some paperwork, minimalistic paperwork, and that's it. So let's see how the braided cable this year looks like. It's very light for some reason, and again the charging port which goes on the Mac. So let me give you the dimensions of this device first. It is a 5" by 5" device, slightly bigger than the Apple TV, and it's really lightweight. Let's open it and see what ports they have given this year. So just a simple tab to unbox. So now that we have unwrapped it, let's take a look at the ports. From the front, we can see there are two USB-C ports and one headphone jack. On the back side, it's one power connector, Ethernet, HDMI, and three USB-C ports. For some reason, they've given the power button on the bottom of this Mac Mini. It's an interesting position. Let's take a look at what this can do from a power perspective, and we'll connect it to a couple of monitors and see how it performs. Now, let us see how you can plug this in to a couple of monitors. First of all, this is where our power cable is going to connect, and then I have a USB-C connector which can basically connects both of these monitors. So let's connect it. So I have the cable, it goes in the back, and then I have this USB-C connector. Once we connect that, on the back side we have the power button, so we'll press the power button. There you go, you can see the light, it's coming up. It's now prompting us to either use a keyboard or a mouse. I don't have a Bluetooth keyboard for this device. So what we can do is we can use a wired keyboard that is not an Apple wired keyboard. Let's say that I have a USB-A. We'll use a USB-A to USB-C adapter and plug that keyboard in. One other thing I noticed is if you have a older mouse that's a USB-C to lightning, like a lightning port, you can use a USB-C cable which goes in here and the lightning port which connects to your mouse. So if you connect this and then connect this to the mouse, it will immediately recognize the mouse on the device, which is a faster way to do it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep posting exciting videos like this in the future.